This individual right here, Oppenheimer, he was utilized for his genius for the wrong reason. He was put in position to make it seem as though he would have the world given to him. He would be known for many civilizations after his time, and to the point where he was completely finished with his design, the atomic bomb. You have individuals at that time and at this time that do not give anything about life, only about power and greed and control. And if life has to be wiped out to achieve that goal, so be it. After this individual created that bomb, they shunned him away because he was able to see the destruction that this bomb was capable of if it was put into the wrong hands. These individuals were manipulated to go into labs night and day to come up with ways of technology to create these atomic bombs. Many of these individuals during that course of time were manipulated into developing humanity or to developing government power structures so that they can rule over humanity, so they can cause more control to humanity, so they can keep humanity in line for how they wanted everything to be. This individual, along with others, minds were so thorough, so sharp, that upon these individuals making this technology, they started to receive visits. The world in itself, each government location that was developing this type of technology, advanced civilizations would come to these locations, completely shut down some devices, trying to speak to humanity, to show humanity that they're on the wrong course. They're on a course of destruction. They're on the wrong course of detonation. Detonation not only in this location, but in many different locations. The atomic bomb can affect many parallel realities. So not only this civilization was in danger, but other civilizations was in danger. And not only we are on this location, but there are other advanced civilizations that are on this location. That if have to, it would completely stop said detonation, as we can see in movies like The Terminator, that they can completely wipe out humanity with one click of a button in a matter of seconds. Everything is gone. So these individuals that are known throughout scripture, they've been here from the beginning. You were taught and trained that you were alone. You were taught and trained that there was nobody in the universe. However the case may be, there was always people in the universe. There was always civilization. We were never alone. In fact, that's how humanity got evolved to the point where we're at right now from the help of these advanced civilizations. And some of the civilizations were given over technology to further the agenda of control and mental stabilities, where individuals are not thinking how they was created to think, how they were created in this system to think on detonation, detonation, low vibration, chemicalized foods. Family against family, neighbor against neighbor. Everything we think is normal is built upon detonation. Not of life, but of death. The human society is walking zombies. An asylum that was built upon this type of technology is utilized as fear tactic. They create borders that don't exist because the same governments are all working as one to control the masses of the population. The people are the biggest threat to the government. We run the government, but we've been manipulated that the government runs us. Now, how far we must go until we realize that we are on the brink of extinction because we allow the power in the wrong hands of certain individuals that have weapons of mass destruction, that point out that other people that have weapons of mass destruction. But the weapons of mass destruction's been here this whole time, waiting to be detonated. Humanity is already on the brink of detonation. The system is designed and set up to create homeless individuals, to create poverty, to create certain housing structures where people got to live on top of one another. That affects the thinking, that throws off the vibration frequency, that creates havoc and anger, that creates chaos upon detonation of how the entire world was designed and set up. But certain factions can rule under the fear factor. False flags, school structures, jobs, all part of the detonation. From here, a nuclear weapon called the atomic bomb. How far we must recognize that the world in itself is in the need of help. It's crying out because the people that are ruling it are not taking care of it. However, they're destroying it. And we have been manipulated to believe that this is how civilization and existence of nature and humanity has to operate. We've been taught and trained that death is life. We've been taught and trained that anger, selfishness, slavery, adultery is the way of life. These all leads to death and destruction from the detonation of an atomic bomb through civilization first, and then the physical explosion takes place afterwards. It's just something to think about of where we are and where direction we are headed if we don't change the course, if we don't take over like we should. Enjoy the rest of your day.